Make freedom possible.
Some kids only need a school backpack to go to class. Some kids also need a person to help carry that backpack. Lejla Nea is 15 and in her first year of high school. She loves school, workshops, drawing, and learning through play and conversation. Personal assistance makes it possible for her to be included in all of that in a way that fits her needs and abilities. Her family says personal assistance completely changed Lejla's life. For her, it brought a more dignified and happier everyday life. For us, it brought peace and the security of knowing she's not left to manage alone. Lejla Nea needs support almost 24/7. Getting dressed, hygiene, meals, going to school, therapy, a walk, time with friends. Things most of us do without thinking become a shared task for her and her personal assistant. All those hours have to be paid for. Her effort is incredible, but effort alone isn't enough without someone by her side. That's why we say, 1 mark is 5 minutes of support. 5 minutes of her day being possible.
You can support the campaign by making a donation through our bank account or via PayPal.